Okay, hooray! It's snowing outside. I hate cold weather. Cold weather sucks. Here's a question I get asked all the time. Somebody broke their lens, their dog peed on it, something like that. They dropped it down a hill. Or it's just old. Camera repair, and specifically lens repair. Recommendations. I can make one strong recommendation, and out of 4,600 videos, this is the first of its kind. Even though I know of 3 different places, the one place that I can unquestionably recommend, it's called Peachtree Photo, Peachtree Camera Repair, and they're a subdivision of Atlanta, Georgia, Marietta, basically north of Atlanta. So, and I've got the link below to their website. Basically a family-run business. They've been doing camera and lens repair for ages. Specifically, I know some heavy hitters that use them. Also, for really expensive camera. I mean, we're not talking about, hey, can I trust these people? They're taking your lenses and cameras apart, and the answer is yes. And they have a form to fill out and it's free, for an appraisal on repairing your lens. Submit that form with whatever's wrong with it and the details, and they will come back with an estimate for you on the repair, the fixation of your camera or lens, whether that be taking it apart, cleaning it. Also do sensor cleanings. They do mostly just camera and lens repair, replacement parts, things that have been torn off, broken. I think you get my point. Anyway, I get asked this question a lot. There's a lot of stuff that I can do, but when it comes to fixing cameras, by the way, you don't actually fix them. Some things you can fix, most things you can't. Same thing in laptop repair. You don't actually repair the damn laptop. You open it up, you find the broken part, and you do parts replacement. So when people say camera repair, repair is the inaccurate term. Sometimes there is a repair, like on old lenses, but usually it's parts replacement. But we still use the term repair. Nevertheless, it's Peachtree Camera Repair. Their website is listed below. Give them a quote, and maybe preferably not a call, since they're always busy fixing cameras, and they will get back to you. I've been asked this question a lot, and this is the only company that I could actually recommend with unswerving recommendation. It's kind of a redundant when I just said that, wasn't it? But anyway, Peachtree Camera Repair. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.